Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about update statement in Oracle. So here, this is the general syntax of update statement. Updating column values can change the data in the table. The update command is used to modify column values in a table. Values of one or more columns can be updated. Updating can be carried out selectively using where clause. Here you can see when we would like to update any column in the any table, then we have to write update. This is the keyword, and then table name, and then we have to use the set keyword. Then let's say I want to update the value for column 1, then column 1 equal to whatever value we'd like to update. Here you can call some basically column level function, and that will calculate some value, and with that value we would like to update column 1. Similarly, if you want to update the column 2, then you will have to assign some value in column 2. Here every updation expression or column will be separated with a comma, and finally you will have a where condition, right? So here few of the key points always keep in mind when you try to update data in your table. First, update operates on the all the rows that are selected by the where clause. Yeah. Second point, if where clause is omitted or where clause is excluded, then all the rows will be updated. Then third key point, you may use Oracle functions that operate on the single row in the set clause. So here you can use some functions which works on the single row. Now fourth point, multiple set assignments are allowed in the update command. So guys, these are the all the concept, but this is not enough. Let's go ahead and try to understand through an example. Yeah. So here a couple of query I'm going to use. Let's say I would like to change the job of the employee whose name is Miller to manager in employee table. If I go to employee table here, if you try to find the job, employee whose name is Miller, then from here you can see what is his designation. Current designation is clerk. I would like to upgrade his job designation as manager. Then to write this kind of query, you will have to write update, right, and then table names. So that is nothing but the employee, right. Then you have to write the keyword set. Then you need to use the column for which we want to update. So job, and job we would like to with the designation as manager, right, manager. And then of course you have to give the where clause, else all the column will be updated. So I'd say where ename equals to Miller, right. So only Miller's job designation is going to update. Yeah. So if I run this query, then there is some problem. So update emp, okay, spelling mistake. So table name was wrong. Now saying that one row updated, right? Let me clean this terminal. If I go to the table, then earlier Miller designation was clerk. Now if I refresh this table, okay, I'm in employee table, sorry, EMP table. So here if I refresh, then if you look, Miller job designation has updated as manager, right, in employee table. Earlier I was looking into EMP table, that was wrong, right. Now here we have updated only single column, right, but there is also possible to modify values in the multiple columns, right. So let's see another example where we can have opportunity to update multiple column values. Let's say I would like to increase the salary by 10%, and the new commission of 15% of the salary for employees from department 30, right. But I don't want to update salary as well as commission for all the employees. I want to update salary by 10% and commission by 15% for department 30 who are not eligible for the commission at present. So first of all, if I look into the employee, right, employee table, from department 30, I would say select star from employee where DEPT number equal to 30. So let me check how many employees are there. Select star from PMPL employee. Now if I run, what's the problem? Let me format select employee department number equals to 30. So if I run, then what's saying that line number 8, there is problem in line number 8. Okay, where clause I haven't given, right? So if I select all the employee department 30, then here you can see there is only employees whose commission is currently null, right? So I would like to update his salary. I want to increase his salary by 10% of this 920, and his commission I would like to update by 10% of 15% of his salary. And how we can do that, right? So for that, of course, we have to write the update command. So I would say update employee, then we have to use the set command, right? I would say set salary equal to current salary. Let me pin this result so that next result will come out into the another window so that I can compare. So I would say salary equals to salary into 1.1. Means I would like to increase the salary, current salary by 10%. So new salary would be current salary into 1.1 if you increase by 10%. Now commission also we would like to increase. So commission we would like to give 15% of current salary. So I would say 0.15 into sal, right? And we want to increase this salary as well as commission for employee whose department number is 30, right? So where clause we have to give where DEPT number equals to 30, but we don't want to increase salary and this commission for all the employees in department 30, but I would like to update these two attributes for those employees whose current commission is null or nothing, right? So I'd say commission is null, right? So if you look into this criteria, only this employee belongs, right? Whose name is Jackie. So let me format my query by pressing Ctrl F7, right? So this is the formatted query. I am going to run this query. Now here, okay, here we have to give the comma I had left, sorry. So if I run this query again, then saying that one row has been updated, right? Now again, if I select employees for 30, then here Jackie, here you can see his salary now. Earlier his earlier salary was 920. Now after once you increment by 10%, then new salary would be 1012, and commission would be 15% of 920, that is 138. So if I get the calculator, if you try to calculate 920 into 1.1, that comes 1012, right? So $1012. And if you calculate commission, so 920 of 15%, 1.15, that comes 138, and that is got updated in the database. So here you have seen how we can update more than one column values. Here I have taken the very small calculation, but in real scenario you can have some complex calculation as well. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial regarding update statement. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next.